Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial for the eFootball game. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can change your camera settings within your game. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up eFootball on your device, and once you are taken into the main menu, if you wish to change your camera options, navigate to the Extras tab at the top section. From here, enter the game settings page, and now you will see the camera option at the second last. Go ahead and click on it, and now you can change the camera mode for offline modes, the offline co-op, as well as online mode. Just tap on your desired game mode, and now you can choose between the various different camera angles that are available. Once you have found your desired view, you can just select this and then go back. Make your desired selection for all your game modes, and now you can go back and your settings will be saved. After this, every time you start a match, the camera modes that you have just selected will then be used based upon the match type. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to change your camera type on the eFootball game. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you again in the next one.